इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे स्टेटस ऑफ प्लांट से। जैसे कोई क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड है, वो क्यों रेयर है, क्यों एंडेंजर्ड है, क्यों क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड है, आज उसके बारे में डिटेल में बात करेंगे। तो मैंने फर्स्ट स्लाइड में एक फोटोग्राफ डाला है एक प्लांट का। अगर इस प्लांट के बारे में जानने की कोशिश करें तो एज पर गजेट नोटिफिकेशन वन फ्लोरा ऑफ इंडिया, दिस प्लांट इज इन द वर्ज ऑफ एक्सटेंशन, मतलब ये विलुप्त की अवस्था में है या विलुप्त होने वाला है। अब ये सचमुच में विलुप्त होने वाला है, फिर इसको कैसे कहा गया है कि ये विलुप्त होने वाला है, ये आईयूसीएन की किस कैटेगरी में आता है, अगर इस लाइन को देखें तो हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं चल रहा है। वी कांट से एज पर गजेट नोटिफिकेशन ऑन फ्लोरा ऑफ इंडिया that that this plant comes under which category of IUCN. Only we are able to know about that this plant is in the verge of extinction. तो आप देखे होंगे such types of okay code. This is the IUCN category like not evaluated, data deficient, least concern, near threatened, vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered, extinct in wild and extinct. So these are the categories. ये सब categories है, हम plants को इस सब category इन सब categories के अंदर रखते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसको इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, उसके पॉपुलेशन के स्टेटस के बारे में पता चलता है। अब अगर किसी प्लांट के स्टेटस के बारे में पता चला तो क्या स्कोप हो सकता है, व्हाट आर द स्कोप, लाइक ए प्लांट कम्स अंडर थ्रेटेंड, सो स्टेटस ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्लांट फर्स्ट इंडिकेट दैट कलेक्शन फ्रॉम वाइल्ड शुड बी बैन, हमें वाइल्ड से कलेक्शन नहीं करना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स पॉपुलेशन लो है। इजी टू गेट फंड, यूजुअली आप देखेंगे जब हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट लिखते हैं तो हमेशा हम थ्रेटन मेडिसिनल प्लांट को यूज करते हैं। अपॉर्चुनिटी इन रिसर्च, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। सेकंड, फूड वैल्यू और मेडिसिनल वैल्यू या इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू जो होगा, इसी कारण ये प्लांट का पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हुआ है। तो श्योर वी कैन नो अबाउट द फूड वैल्यूज, मेडिसिनल वैल्यूज और इकोनॉमिक वैल्यूज। रीस्टोरेशन कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क कर सकते हैं, तो हम सोच सकते हैं। Like one example, Cycas saphirica. Cycas saphirica, also called okay, Cycas saphirica, is a plant mainly found in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. The species was thought to be found in Odisha previously, but a recent publication found that the species is restricted to Andhra Pradesh. और जो इंडिया में स्पेसिस था, प्रोफेसर रीता ने डिस्क्राइब किया है इस प्लांट को, दैट प्लांट इज साइकस नागार्नेंसिस, इज ए स्पेसिस फाउंड ओनली इन नागर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उड़ीसा इंडिया, और एंड इट कम्स अंडर थ्रेटेंड स्पेसिस. So we have to know about the category and how we can keep a plant in a particular category. Sorry. So in first slide आपने देखा लास्य कोका कॉम्बरी. I was written a blog, Lysococa combri, the charm of Eastern Ghat. So it is a threatened plant which is in the verge of extinction in Odisha. It is a medium-sized tree. Branchlets are grey yellowish, leaves are alternate, opposite and glabrous. Locally it is known as Kukri Hari. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Another statement, Lysococa combri, a rarest plant species of Odisha which is in the verge of extinction and found in Barbara Reserve Forest and Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. This name is accepted name of a species in the genus Laciococa family Euphorbiaceae. The, the record derives from WCSP which reports it is an accepted name with original publication details. Bullet. Okay, so these are the some details. But हम यहाँ पे दो चीज देख रहे हैं. लासेकोका कॉम्बरी के लिए एक जगह पे थ्रेटेंड यूज किया गया है, दूसरे जगह पे रेयर यूज किया गया है. बट हमें क्या यूज करना चाहिए उसके बारे में आज डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आप गैजेट नोटिफिकेशन भी देख सकते हैं. यू कैन okay read the gazette notification when Odisha flora and fauna on the verge of extinction plant only Lasecoca combri. Okay, so you can observe here. अब हम बात करते हैं पहले कैटेगरी का। इस इज सराका अशोका और अशोक ट्री। It is under threatened category of a vulnerable section. But if you visit in Odisha or Bhubaneswar, okay, you can get this plant in the society garden, botanical garden in urban areas. If there is a good population, then why it comes under the vulnerable category? Very simple. Always, okay, we evaluate from their historical habitat. In the historical habitat of Saraka Asoka is near stream. और नियर स्ट्रीम के पास आप एक अच्छा पॉपुलेशन नहीं देख पाएंगे. So it comes under the threatened category and it is used as a uterine tonic. So these are the categories like not evaluated, data deficient, least concern, near threatened, critically endangered, vulnerable, extinct in wild, and extinct. As per 1994 IUCN Red List categories version 2.3, now in the lower risk, conservation dependent, near threatened, and least concern. Or in threatened already we discussed. So now it's subdivided, okay, in three different categories under the lower risk, that is CD conservation dependent, NT near threatened, and LC least concern. Here you can observe not evaluated, increasing risk of extinction. Okay, all species evaluated, adequate data threatened categories you can observe. So these are some threatened plants: Rauwolfia serpentina, Gloriosa supraba, blue vanda, Vanda nobile, and Habenaria panigranensis, I think. Medicinal values of Gloriosa supraba: urological pain. Extinct. What is extinct? What is the definition? Termination of a kind of organism or a taxa, a death of the last individual of the species, or loss of capacity to breed and recover, that is called extinct. Like Hopia, Sinkang, Straculia, Khasiana, both are extinct species. Hopia, it was endemic to the eastern Himalayas region of India, and Straculia khasiana is per the name, okay, from the Khasi hills in Meghalaya. It was an endemic tree. Extinct in wild, that means living members kept in captivity. Naturalized population outside of historic population or historic habitat, that is called extinct in wild. Like Coquia, Coquei, Terminalia acuminata in Brazil, Coquia coquei in Hawaii Islands. So about 37 species in world it is identified as extinct in wild. Now critically endangered. So these are the some parameters. Like first parameters, at least 50% chance of going extinct in the wild over 3 generations or 10 years. Second, number less than 50 mature individual, or decline population less than 250 mature individual, a decline of 25% over 3 generation or 10 years, or occurrence or occupancy. We will discuss about the occurrence or occupancy occurring over less than 100 kilometers square, per the area of occupancy is less than 10 kilometers square, or population size reduction reduced by at least 80 to 90%, those taxa, those species will come under the critically endangered. Like this one, Cycas niagarnensis, only 100 individuals are reported in 2 hills of Niagar district of Odisha. Medicinal values: foods are consumed to improve poor appetite. Ilex khasiana, for very rare specimen grow on Shillong Peak. It again comes under critically endangered, and about 2493 species are identified in world. Blue Vanda, medicinal values against aging. It's a threatened species. Now the critically endangered species include Calamus acanthosepethes, Calamus inermis, Cinnamon cachrenensis, Detrocarpus gracilis, Gymnocladus asimicus, Lilium polyphyllum, Maduca insinis, Malaxis acuminata, Ormesia robusta, and some cycas also. Okay, the endangered species includes Kythia spanula, Cycas asperica, and Lastococa combri also. It is also okay published in current science. Professor Barik is reported and explained about the population and status of Lastococa combri. So he explained that Lastococa combri and Cycas asperica comes under endangered category of under threatened species. So as per the Gazette notification, now we can understand that it is sure okay in the verge of extinct, but it comes under the endangered category. So endangered, it means about 3654 species in world. Okay, okay, it's identified. Endangered is likely to become extinct in near future, or globally or specific political jurisdiction, like Aconitum heterophyllum. Medicinal value like this is the Aedes odorata. Again, it's a endangered species. Against microbial infections, we use Rauwolfia serpentina against hypertension. Again, it comes under threatened category. Then this is the Hypericum gaiti against skin eruption. This is the again a orchid species, Pomato calpa decipiens. We have no idea about the medicinal values, but it comes under the threatened category. Then this is the again a orchid species comes under the threatened category against joint pain. Now the vulnerable. Okay. So vulnerable, it means the taxa likely to become endangered or need to stop threat and have to improve population. Capable of becoming critically endangered or even extinct in a very short period. And these are the parameters like population size. Population size reduction of okay greater than or equal to 50% over the last 10 years or 3 generations. Occurrence estimated to be less than 20,000 kilometers square or area of occupancy estimated to be less than 2,000 kilometers square. Declining population less than 1,000 mature individuals or less than in 20 kilometers square. Probability of extinction in the wild is at least 10% within 100 years. So these are the parameters. ये सब parameters देखकर हम किसी टैक्सा को इस कैटेगरी में रख सकते हैं. This is the some vulnerable species. Okay, it is used as a brain tonic, Silastus panipulatus. Orozyla minticum used as a tonic. Nageswar Meswaferia used as a cardiotonic. Rhododendron whitey and about 5430 species are identified which comes under this category. So this is the टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग आप आराम से इवेल्युएट कर पाएंगे. मैंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से लिख दिया है. जोग्राफिकल रेंज हो तो क्या होगा, स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन है तो क्या होगा, वेरी स्मॉल और रिस्ट्रिक्टेड पॉपुलेशन है तो क्या होगा. अब हम एक्सटेंट ऑफ अकरेंस और एरिया ऑफ अकरेंस ऑक्यूपेंसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. So extent of occurrence, it means it is the area enclosed within the continuous boundary, or occupancy, it is the area occupied by a species within its EOO. It means extent of occurrence. आप यहाँ से देख सकते, this is the area of occupancy और उसके अंदर this is the okay so extent of sorry occurrence, and this is the area of occupancy, smaller ones. Near threatened, that means soon comes under the threatened category. Re-evaluating near threatened species at appropriate intervals. This is my statement. I always think that जो near threatened में है उसका re-evaluation हर साल होना चाहिए, या एक 3 साल के अंदर 4 साल के अंदर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं है वो near threatened में था और एक खास बाउंड्री के लिए अब वो किस कैटेगरी में है. About 1851 species in world. Least concern, it means not focus species for conservation. LC was a subcategory of the lower risk category and assigned the code LR by LC or LC. Data deficient, it means no or less information on distribution and abundance of a taxa. So we have to do more work in data deficiency because we have not evaluated, nothing has done. So again, we have to check and we have to do the assessment. Endemism और endemic is again important, but this is a temporary. मैंने अच्छी तरह समझाने की कोशिश किया है. Endemic मतलब population is not considered. Ecological state है ये presentive है. It can change. Yes, it can change. Define geographical location. आज यहाँ पे है तो endemic है, कल अगर कहीं और पे दिख गया तो उसका endemic खत्म हो सकता है. जैसे ये एक इंडेमिक स्पेसीज है 2-3 स्टेट के लिए. दिस इज द स्ट्रोबिलांथस कुथियाना और नील कुरंजी. इट इज यूज्ड इन न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स. ये एक और है स्पेसीज जो ईस्टर्न घाट का इंडेमिक स्पेसीज है, मड्रस पेटाना. रियल स्पेसीज मैंने एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश किया है. लाइक मोस्टली क्वालिटेटिव, not evaluated by IUCN. Rare species are species with small population. Designation of a rare species may be made by an official body such as a national government, state or province. Very uncommon, scarce or infrequently encountered. Small number of organisms worldwide, usually fewer than 10,000. The International Union for Conservation of Nature uses the term rare as a designation for species found in isolated geographical location. So this is the definition of rare species. This is the one rare species, Strobilanthus affinis. Okay, I collected it from Manipur. It is used against stomach worm. This is the again Auburania species. So it is a rare. हर जगह पे हम इसे नहीं देख सकते. हमने इसको नागालैंड और मणिपुर बॉर्डर में देखा था. ये एक रेयर स्पेसीज है, के ट्री कैक्टस. So thank you very much for this session. Today we discussed about a lot of things, okay, about the status of a plant, of a medicinal plant, of a species,